Whoops, didn't see this last one on the back. Okay, so last one is construct a truth table for the following statement. If I want to exercise or if the elevator is not working, then I walk up the stairs. So we've got a couple different statements that we should break down. First one, if, implies it's P. If I want to exercise, that's the first conditional, or the first premise. Or if the elevator isn't working, so I'm going to call this Q. The elevator is not working. Then I walk up the stairs. Call that R. I walk up the stairs. All right, so let's dissect this. This would be then the equation P or Q. Actually, you guys, this is like a small thing. It would still work ultimately with how I defined it, but we should actually get in the habit of using not as the negation. So let's say that Q is the elevator is working. So then it's not Q. Small thing, it would still work with the way I set it up. It'd be a slightly different truth table, but the meaning behind it would be the same. I'm just going to stick with this, not Q. So the elevator is working, but my conditional says it's not, so put not Q. I'm going to put that in parentheses. Then, that's the conditional, I take the stairs, which is R. Okay, so we are going to have a truth table with P, Q, and R, obviously. And then we need a not Q for the inside of that. And then we need a P and not Q here. And then we need that whole P and not Q implies R. Okay, so we've got 8 spots here already made for us. It's wonderful. So I'm going to build my general ones here. There's 8 slots. So the first 4 for P are going to be true. I did half, and then the rest are false. All right, for Q, the first 4 are true, so I'm going to make half of those true. If there's only 2, and then half are false. And then same, repeat that pattern down here. All right, and then for R, we alternate true and false. Okay. Beautiful. That's just our general setup. So now if I want not Q, I'm going to do the opposite of my Q column right here. So it's going to be the opposite of this pattern where my finger is moving. All right, so we've got false, false in this column. Opposite of false here is true, true. Opposite of true here is false, false. And the last one are true and true. All right, now we're going to do the disjunction of P, this first column, and not Q, the one I just made. So we're going to compare these 2 columns here, and it's a disjunction. So if one of those answers are true, then this disjunction is true. So first one's true, true, false again. So that one's true, true, true. That's true, true, true again. That's true. False, false. That is false then. False, false. That is false. False, true is fine. We have one that's true, so we're good. And false, true is also fine. All right, so now last one, we are implying, this is like the new premise. So new premise. This is our conclusion here. R is the conclusion. Okay, so if this is ever true, the premise is true. When R is false, that's a false for the conditional, right? That's our rule. So if we have true, true, this is true. True, false is false. True, true, that's true. True, false is false. False, true is fine, that's true. False, false, that's fine, that's true. True, true is fine, but true, false is not. There we go. So there's our truth table. So final answer, this sentence, if I want to exercise or if the elevator isn't working, then I walk up the stairs. So that's false when you want the exercise and the elevator is working, then you would not walk up the stairs. Is that true? I think that is. You want to exercise or the elevator's not working. So those are both true. Oh, I see. So this is false because this is saying you didn't walk up the stairs. Obviously, if you wanted to and the elevator was broken, you would just walk up the stairs. But this is false because you didn't walk up the stairs. That's saying that I walk up the stairs is false. So that's why this one's false. Sorry, I was like, this is odd. Okay. Next one that's false is this one. So this is if you want to walk up the stairs and you don't, that's false. That doesn't work. Okay. And the last one, if you wanted to walk up the stairs and the elevator was not working and you didn't walk up the stairs, doesn't make any sense. Like you would definitely walk up the stairs because you had to get to work somehow. So those are 3 cases where that's not true. There you go. Last one.